Hi guys, in this video we are in the Motivation, Emotion, and Health unit and we're going to take a look at the self-actualization assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the module and begin working through it and reading my corresponding e-text pages. When I get to page 2, I want to make sure I've completed this page in red prior to getting to the self-actualization assignment. There's a brief introduction at the bottom of the page. In this assignment, you're going to reflect on Abraham Maslow's research and theory on self-actualization and his hierarchy of needs. What does it mean to be self-actualized? Who are these people? Can we achieve this? Download the instructions from the sidebar on the right. I'm going to come over here and open it up. Abraham Maslow and self-actualization. According to Abraham Maslow, self-actualization represents the growth of an individual toward fulfillment of the highest needs. One who has self-actualized has developed and reached their fullest potential, being all that they can be. Reflect on what you've learned in the module and from your e-text and respond to each of the following. Your responses should illustrate a deep cognitive reflection of Maslow's theory and how it applies to the world. Be sure to write responses in paragraph format. Submit to the appropriate Dropbox when complete. So again, you're responding on a separate document. Make sure that you are using the appropriate files and formats and saving it appropriately and all that good stuff. I would recommend starting a Word document for this, and you're writing in paragraph format. So the first question you'll be responding to, or series here, is think of someone you believe has reached self-actualization. This can be someone that you know personally or someone from history or a famous person. Describe this person, including their qualities and why you believe they've reached self-actualization. Make sure this is thorough. And then the next bullet, review the traits of a self-actualized person in the module and compare the traits you listed for your person. How do they compare, or how are they different from Maslow's list of traits? And then in the next section, we're going to evaluate Maslow's theory. Maslow's theory has been criticized from a number of different angles. The top criticisms include Maslow's definition of self-actualization as being too vague or circular. Self-actualization itself is hard to define scientifically, and then his studies were also limited to small samples. So reflect on the following. In your opinion, does everyone strive to achieve self-actualization? Why or why not? Do the needs list on Maslow's hierarchy need to be fulfilled in order from the bottom to the top? And please explain your answer. Is there a scientific way to determine if a person is self-actualized? And is there a better definition for self-actualization than the one that Maslow has provided? If so, what would that definition state? And once you have completed the responses to these questions or prompts, turn this into the appropriate box.